What's up, Fizzies, and welcome to my channel. I changed the name. Guess what? Comment below. I want to change the name, and please suggest me a better name. So what? I will mention the name of who sent the name of my channel. So, I speak Hindi, yes. I'd like to interface with you with some Hindi videos. Comment below if I should or if I should not. Surjective, and welcome to my channel for nostalgic inheritance. And today's topic is somewhat different. We are far ahead of black body radiation, and yes, I lied. That was not the last episode of the extraction, and one more has been launched. And the series is not over yet. We will deal with photoelectric effect, atomic spectra, and specific heat of solid bodies, with many others with Heisenberg, de Broglie, holes, and many more. So please stay tuned for that. And the extraction is specially dedicated to that. And please suggest the new channel name. I had been bored. Yesterday. Search my channel. So please make sure. Starting with the triangular numbers. The triangular numbers are very unique and corresponding to their properties and these properties. And first of all, what are triangular numbers? Triangular numbers are the numbers by which you can form an equilateral triangle. The nth triangular number the second triangular number is 3 and its side length is 2. So triangular number is 6 and its side length is 3. So like that, it obviously keep up the triangle. Then what? What is special about these numbers? The another property of these numbers is that the sum of nth positive integers is a triangular number, more specifically nth triangular number. So what? Let's keep it simple. Another property of triangular number is the sum of two consecutive triangular number is a perfect square. And if I say you don't know the values of triangular number or any of values of a triangular number, and then you gotta find out by this property. First, let's assume that x1, x2, x3 till up to xn are the triangular numbers. And by the property, x1 plus x2 equal to 2 square, x2 plus x3 equal to 3 square, x3 plus x4 equal to 4 square, and till up to xn minus 1 plus xn equal to n square. So that's pretty simple. So what? As you have observed, there are n equations. No, there are n minus 1 equations, but only n variables. So what? Let me convey. According to the law or the principle or the basic principle or the fundamental principle of algebra, to solve and get a unique value for n variables, there should be n equation which satisfy all the n variables. And here there are n variables but n minus 1 equations. So by the principle of algebra, there should be no value, or more specifically, no unique value could be assigned to any of the triangular numbers. But this is contrary to the triangular numbers indeed has a unique value. So, the triangular numbers doesn't exist? They do. The correction remains a mystery, but it got corrected. It is a type of surjective problem. Surjective problem deals with implications and forward messages. It only holds good in one direction. For example, I said you, every integer is a rational number. It could be stated as, if a number is an integer, then it should be a rational number. And so that it's true, you know. But if I say every rational number is an integer, it could be stated as, if a number is a rational number, then it is an integer. It is true, Let's solve it by a counter example. And that's the example of a triangular number. Likewise, we stated that the sum of two consecutive triangular number is a perfect square. But what we assumed is, if the sum of two numbers is a perfect square, then they are consecutive number. In contrast to 1 and 8, other two numbers. The real mistake lies in how we interpret and analyze the world around us, and therefore we should manipulate it in a proper way. So likewise, one question may arise, sir, did there some statements which holds good in both the directions? Yes, there are. These are known as bijective statements, and which holds good in both the directions. Every mathematical, more specifically geometrical theorem, axiom and postulate do so, and some of the common use statements also does that. That are counter examples. Taking one example, and let's see if he or she, if it can implies on both the statements, and then we have to solve them. So what? It's over for now. But then how to form series of triangular numbers? Mark my words.
Another property of these numbers is that the sum of nth positive integers is a triangular number.
Yes, I stated the right. The sum of nth first n positive integer or sum of first n natural numbers is the value assigned to nth triangular number 1. Which we can form a simple series like Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is just a singularity term, and 2 a equal to 1, d equal to 1, and by which it compresses, and the sum and the value of nth triangular number is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. And yes, this is an example of a bijective statement. The formula it's all for today. Thank you for attending. Make sure to like and leave a comment.